Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go through JavaScript string search, and we'll discuss a couple of methods to search a string. And first of all, let's start with here. I'm gonna add in here script tag, and within a script tag I'm gonna type let string equals under code please locate where locate occurs, and then I'm gonna console log, and let's discuss here our first method. Type in here string dot index of, and parenthesis, within parenthesis I'm gonna type codes, and let's find the position of our locate word. Copy and paste it in here and hit save, and we got 7. What it means, actually, index of starts counting from 0. Say P is at 0 position, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This locate word is located at the 7th position. Now let's discuss about another method, that is, let's come in here and type last index of, and now if I hit save, it displays us. Let me zoom it in a little more. Now we get 21. And how it works: last index of method returns the position of the last occurrence of a specified text. For example, we have got locate here and locate here, and this last index of method returns the position of last occurrence of locate, which is this one. Let's come in here and start counts: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. So in this case, last occurrence of locate is at position number 21, which is this. Now last index of or index of return -1 if the text is not found. Say if I find locates, hit save, we get -1 because we do not have any word as locates. Moreover, both of the methods accept a second parameter as the starting position for the search. Say you want to start searching from this word or this letter, or you want to start searching from this position, and this position is like 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. The position of this letter is 14. So if I come in here and type comma and 14, hit save, let me remove S from here, hit save. Now we got 7 again, because in this case it starts locating for the locate word from the end of our text, and the starting position of searching is from this, which is 14, and to the beginning. So from this letter we have locate on position number 7. Let's count from here: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now say if you wanna start searching for a word from this E, and the position of this E is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now if I type in here 5 and hit save, we got -1. That represents that we do not have any word as locate from E and backwards. So that was about the second parameter, and it works the same for both of index of or last index of. Now let's discuss about another method, that is search. And let me remove these bodies from here, hit save, and we got 7. The search method returns the position of the first occurrence of a specified text in a string, as we have got 2 occurrences of locate, but it gives us the first occurrence of our required text, which is locate, and the position is 7. If you start counting from here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Moreover, the two methods index of and search work the same, but not in all the manners, because the search method cannot take a second start position argument, whereas the index of method cannot take powerful search values, let's say regular expressions. And I'll give you an example of regular expression in a little bit. Let's come in here and type another method, that is match. The match method searches a string from a match against a regular expression and returns the matches as an array object. Let's say if I type in here, let's change the text. The rain in, let's keep it in uppercase, Spain stays in the plain, and let's put here semicolon. Now I'm gonna search here. Now I'm gonna search here a combination of letters, say A-I-N, and come in here and type /, and within /, I'm gonna type A-I-N, and then I'm gonna type G. G stands for global. Hit save, and we got an array of AIN. We have 2 AINs in our text. We have AIN here, we have got AIN here in Spain, and we have got AIN in this word plain. But we did not get an array with 3 values because this word Spain also contains AIN, but it's in uppercase. That's why this match method did not include this word. In that case, if you wanna make it case insensitive, just come in here and type I. Hit save. Now we got an array with 3 values, 0, 1 and 2, and it also includes capital AIN after putting I in our match argument. Now let's come in here and type in, let's change the text again, say hello world, welcome to the universe, full stop, and then I'm gonna type in here includes, and let's find for world under quotes, hit save, Now includes returns Boolean value. Say if a required word is found in the text, we get true, otherwise false. Let's say if I put here S, hit save, we got false because we do not have any words as words in this text. Includes also accepts the second parameter, say starting position of searching. Let's type in here comma, and if I hit save, we got true because world is included in our text. Now if I come in here and type comma, and we want to give it a starting position, say after the W of welcome, let's count it first. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now we will start searching after 13th position. Come in here and type 13, hit save, we got false because after W of welcome we do not have any word as word. And if I come in here and type 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 after 5th position, hit save, we got true because we have our required word in the text after 5th position. Now there is another method which is starts with, and it also returns Boolean value. Say if the text starts from this word, it'll give us true. If I hit save, it gives us false because this text does not start from world, it starts with hello. So let's come in here and type hello, hit save, we got true. Likewise, we also have a method ends with. If I hit save, it returns false. And now if I copy our last word, which is universe, and paste it in here, hit save, we still got false because we did not add period. Let's delete it from here, hit save, and we got true. The last thing is ends with is also case sensitive. Say if I find here with capital U and hit save, we got false, whereas if I find it with small u, hit save, we got true. And that was all about string searches. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.